at the cake. Looks so good. Ooh. Right, hey guys, it's your girl Peggy, Filipino food here. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Oh my god, the cake looks so good. Okay, so for the cake, I got it from this place called Red Ribbon. Yeah, Red Ribbon is a Filipino bakery. They sell a lot of cakes and pastries, which are all really good. Yeah, so far everything I had from there is really good. So one of the new cakes is this honeycomb cake. Yeah, it's the honeycomb crunch cake. So there are 3 layers of light chiffon cake filled with the right blend of French buttercream icing and sweet honeycomb candy, with notes of coffee, frosted with whipped cream and covered in light golden brown honeycomb crunch candy. Yeah, very long description. And it looks really good. They kind of look like rocks embedded in cement, you know, like some walls with rocks in it. Okay, and then I also got us some Filipino style spaghetti from this place called Mami King. Yeah, shout out to everyone at Mami King. Hey guys! Yeah, so Mami King is a Filipino restaurant at Panorama City. Yeah, and they serve a lot of Filipino dishes. I've had their food a couple of times now and it's really good. So if you're in the area, do check them out. Yeah, so I got us this spaghetti. It is seasoned ground beef and sliced hot dog served in homemade tomato-based sauce over spaghetti noodles. Yeah, and I think this is better than Jollibee's spaghetti. Okay, so how's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Thank you so much for joining me today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The cake looks so good. Let's start with the cake. Got my giant fork. You know what? I'm gonna try one of these honeycomb things. Look like candy. Mmm. It's so crunchy. You know what? Kind of tastes like the inside of the Mars bars. You know, the chocolate Mars. It's pretty good. Ooh, look at that. Kind of sticks to your teeth though. Ooh. Wow, I love the crunch. Oh, my nose. Wow. Oh my god. The cake is really soft and moist inside. This is good. Ooh. Ooh, there's honey inside. You see that? Mmm. This is the crunchiest cake I've ever had. Wow. Ooh. It can taste like a hint of coffee. Wow, this is good. This is a very unusual cake. I like it. A little too crunchy though. There's like too many crunchy stuff. Ooh. Sticks to the teeth. Ooh. It's all over my teeth now. Okay. Let's go for the spaghetti. Yeah, so I was watching the verdict of the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial. Yeah, by the time this video comes out, it'll be like out already. But yeah, I'm really happy that Johnny Depp won. Ooh. Oh my god. This tastes so good. Oh my god, the spaghetti is really good. And the noodles, I mean the spaghetti is cooked just right. Al dente. I'm thinking of going to this restaurant and film there on location. Yeah, because they have a lot of dishes that I want to try, and I'm thinking it'd be fun to, you know, eat there, right? Oh my god, this is so good. So how are you guys doing? Ooh. You know what, I should like go visit the Philippines and eat the balut. I got a lot of requests from you guys to try the balut. Is it balut? Balot? You know, the egg? Yeah. Kinda wanna try that, but I can't find any here in the United States. I think only Philippines has that, right? Yeah, so what have you guys been watching? Well, now that the trial is over, the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial, it's like, I don't know what else to watch. Oh, I've been watching Obi-Wan, the series on Star Wars series on Disney Plus. You guys watch that? A lot of people are unhappy that Obi-Wan, like well, I don't want to give out any spoilers, but it seems like a lot of people are not happy with it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's honey in the middle. Look at that. I love the hint of coffee. I love the crunch, but it can be really sticky. It's like you can almost pull your fillings out. Ooh. My god, this tastes so good after something sweet. This is so good. Wipe down the fork. Time to pull my fillings out. Ooh, look at that. You know what? I like the crunchy bits, But I think it'd be better if it's just on the top layer instead of the sides, because it might be too much, like too crunchy. Ooh. Mm. Whew, okay, it's enough crunchy things for me today. Right, so Red Ribbon's new honeycomb crunch cake. Right, it's super crunchy. This is the crunchiest cake I've ever had. Yeah, maybe a little too much crunch. Okay, let's talk about the inside. So there's honey inside, you can see it, and then there are 3 layers of chiffon cake, which is really soft, really moist. You know, it just melts in your mouth, and then the crunchy bits goes really well with the cake. Yeah, but the thing is, I think there's like too much crunchiness. Like maybe just a little bit on the top, and in smaller pieces. I think it would be better, because right now some of the crunchy bits are like really big. Yeah, like really big chunks, so it's like kind of interfering with the cake a little bit. You know, it's like you're trying to enjoy the soft, moist cake, and then suddenly you have like a big chunk of like a rock in your mouth, so it can be a little bit distracting. But otherwise, taste-wise, it's really good. It's filled with honey, and it has got a little bit of hint of coffee. Yeah, so that was a really like a nice surprise, you know, when we taste coffee. So yeah, this is an interesting cake. I think it'd be more enjoyable as a slice. Like if you just get a slice, yeah, then I think the cake to crunchy ratio would be good. Yeah. It smells really nice of coffee. I love it. Yeah, so I'll give this 8 out of 10. Yeah. Yeah, and then the side, I got us the spaghetti from Mami King, the Filipino restaurant. This is really good. I think I like this better than Jollibee. Don't get me wrong, I still love Jollibee. It's still my number one fast food. But this one, it has got more of a beefy flavor. Like the beef flavor is stronger and it's less sweet, which I like. Jollibee's spaghetti can be a little too sweet for me. Yeah, so this is good. I'm back here in Los Angeles, California. Do let me know what other restaurants you guys would like me to go to, any new fast food chains, any new food from any fast food chains you guys would like me to try. Do let me know down in the comments. Yeah, and let me know what other places you guys would like me to eat at on location as well. Do let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I feel like might have pulled some of my feelings out. The crunchy bits is like very sticky. It's like yeah, so I was talking about the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp case. Are you guys sick of hearing about it? Yeah, so this morning the verdict was read and I watched it live, and good news for Johnny, he won. Yeah, so I'm kind of feeling a little lost now, because I've been following the trial every day. Like every morning I'll wake up and I'll watch the trial. Now that there's no more trial, I'm like, what am I gonna watch now? Well, anyway, a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate you. And to everyone watching as well, thank you so much for spending your time with me here. Yeah, so do check out my other videos, like my Las Vegas videos, my county fair videos. Yeah, go check on them, and I'll see you on the next one. Click on it.